No, my trade closed. I had to stop. I had to take profit at 63,000. We just hit 63,000, so one of my trades just closed. But what's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking it yet again. Happy Wednesday. What a beautiful day it is. What an amazing time to be alive as Bitcoin is continuing to outperform your crappy stocks, your crappy real estate property, right? And we're going to send Bitcoin to 69,420 with haste. So if you are watching this stream and you've been listening and you've been trading, or if you've just been stacking your Bitcoin and chilling, then you're up. Congratulations. Shout out to you guys. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get your 10 bucks free Bitcoin, as I've been saying for the last 4 years now. So make sure that you guys do these things. And we're going to jump right into the charts and look at what Bitcoin is doing, what Bitcoin is doing, what Bitcoin is doing. This is the 15-minute chart, guys. This is the fib that I drew a long time ago. You're going to see other, traders do the same thing, right? They're going to draw the Fibonacci retracement because these are signals and, retracement points that everybody is looking at. So let me just zoom out on the weekly and look at that. I had these already. I had these levels already. I wasn't expecting us to get this, high so fast. But even if you look on the weekly, we still have lots of room up. Shout out to Market Cipher. Shout out to everybody that's been stacking the Bitcoin and chilling. We're looking at the 4 hours still strong. We're gonna look at the 2 hours still strong. We're gonna look at the 1 hour still strong. We're gonna look at the 15-minute, go back there again. Still looking strong. We have a lot of buy volume, as you can see down here. Let me see if I can get a cleaner chart that I haven't been. There it is. Let me get a cleaner chart for you guys. All right, let me go back out to the hourly. We are just rage pumping, guys. Look at this. Green dot on the bottom. This was February 26th. If you would have went long here, thanks to Market Cipher breaking structure here and just held, you would have been Gucci, right? Also, in the other previous lives that I did for you guys, is I showed you guys all the trades that I was going to take, right? And if you made some money, you made some money. Congratulations. But Bitcoin is not stopping right now. Bitcoin is not stopping, not stopping, not stopping. So I hope you guys have been stacking your Bitcoin and chilling. So what I'm going to do real quick is we're going to jump into some tweaks because it feels good to be right? It feels good to be a Bitcoiner. So let me put that alert there for when we do pass this level, which I do think we're good. Let's go down a little bit lower. 5 minute. Got some sales coming in. Wow. I'm nice with it. That's all I got to say is that I'm nice with it. All right, cool. All right, so let's jump into Twitter real quick. See what these tweets looking like. If you have not already, head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Hit that like, share, subscribe. And shout out to you if you've been stacking up your Bitcoin and chilling. When we all become sunshine. 3 hours ago, all right, let me turn that down. 3 hours ago, I told you guys the 4 and the 2 hours looking pretty good. And look at that. As you know, this was what, 59,700 is what I told you guys this. Now we're at 62,700. So we just been flagging, popping, flagging, popping, flagging, popping, flagging, popping. So let me put an alert just in case we come back down, which I think we will come down. Seeing again that was the fib, that was a nice fib that we just hit. All right, so we're looking at the tweets here 3 hours ago that was given out to you guys. So if you listened and you paid attention, you would have hopped into a long. I hope you guys made some money. If not, it's okay. Scroll down. Max Payne thread by Samson Mao. This is great thread to read. Max Payne, this is my favorite one. 8 billion people on this planet just missed the important opportunity in their lifetimes to get into Bitcoin when it would have made a significant economic difference. They can now only work for Bitcoin. And I think this is the biggest one. Max Payne. Hit that like, share, subscribe if you are watching this on X or on YouTube. Shout out to everybody that is watching. We're going to go through the tweets. And right now, Bitcoin is pulling back just a little bit, just a little. Sellers are selling. I don't know why you would be selling right now, unless you're trying to take profits and you're trading. Again, I trade to earn more Bitcoin. I don't trade to earn more dollars. And if you are trading, be careful. Don't over leverage. And I recommend that you don't even trade. I recommend that you just stack your Bitcoin and chill. But you're a grown adult. You do what you want, right? Everything falls against Bitcoin. Everything priced in Bitcoin goes down forever. This was back in August 2023 when I said Bitcoin's going to hit 100,000 before halving, and it looks like we could do it. We'll see. I don't know, right? But we're definitely going to hit all-time highs, in my opinion. Um, and let's go. Now, hold your XRP down to zero, please. Hold your XRP, guys. I don't want to hear it. Somebody check on Thomas Crowlow. He opened up a $1.5 million short, and that was 2 hours ago. So I know he's getting cooked right now, unless he was smart, right? Oh my God, we're pumping. We're pumping. We're pumping. We just got the alert. Bitcoin does not care right now, guys. Bitcoin is on a tear right now, guys. Where my margin at? 7, 8, 9, 10. I have over. Let me make the screen for you guys real quick. Let me show you this guy. Let me show you this real quick. I don't. This thing is mirrored. Let me turn off the mirror. How do I turn off the mirror real quick without messing anything up? Settings, video. Why is it on the back camera? Front camera. Mirror off. There it is. All right, cool. All right, cool. Check this out. 782%. We're coming down a little bit. 63,200. 700 plus 300%. That's 10. I just 10x my Bitcoin stack. My baby bag that I said that I risk for, to earn some more Bitcoin. I just 10x my Bitcoin stack. And I've been sharing you with you guys and been telling you guys. Now let's get back to the charts. Wow, Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping, guys. Wow, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Bitcoin is crazy. He's pumping right now. This is crazy. Wow. This is what you call institutional FOMO. Bitcoin is about to hit 69,000 today. Bitcoin about to hit 69,000 today. Watch. 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 And let down the hair. Gotta let down the hair. The best hair in Bitcoin. Bitcoin Chris. Stacking up and chilling. 64,000 is when the next alert will come out. If you're watching, hit that like. Hit that like for me, please. Hit that like. Hit that like button for me, please. Because we're gonna watch Bitcoin rip right now. Let's go. 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 We're watching a 5-minute chart. Let's go. 1 hour looking good. 2 hour looking good. 4 hours still looking good. 6 hour looking good. 8 hour looking good. 12 hours looking good. One day. Look at this candle on the daily. All right. No. Look at the monthly. I tweeted this earlier. Look at this monthly candle. And people will look at this chart. People will look at the monthly candle and say we're not going to hit all-time highs before halving. We're at 63,000. You must be out your mind to think we're not going to hit 69,420 before 420. All right. Let me go over this real quick. Somebody said, so this pump is not even close to halving yet. Where's it at? Where's it at? All right. I don't even see the reply. Somebody said to me, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? And I'm waiting for a pullback. And I responded, y'all be looking crazy looking for a pullback, right? Because, everybody, and I'm pulling back right now, actually. Right? 1 hour. 15. We're pulling back a little bit. Okay. Move this up. Y'all be looking crazy waiting for pullbacks, guys. No one knows exactly what's going to happen except, math. Math does come into play, and your conviction is going to have to come into play. You can use TA and the charts to gauge, but institutions are buying Bitcoin, and we haven't even gotten to the halving yet. You got to put in the work, and when Bitcoin goes to 1 million, you won't care if you bought in at 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 100,000. That's literally 10x, right? That you can do if you bought in 100,000. So just my opinion, split into threes. If you guys are thinking about waiting for a pullback, I told Gary Cardone this, and he said he was waiting for a pullback as well, which shows that he didn't know what he was talking about. I can pull up the tweet actually and show you. And right after that, it ripped, right? After I told him, I will pull up the tweet in just a moment. But I told him the same thing. I say split into threes. If you have $1,000, split it into threes. $333 if we dip, $333 now, and then $333 if we rip, right? So that way you're able to DCA, and you don't have to worry about trying to catch the bottom and try to catch the top. You're never going to catch the exact bottom, and you're never going to catch the exact top. Bears collapse to the tune of 300 million, right? So I just shared this 2 hours ago, probably a lot more now. 344 million traders were liquidated in the past 24 hours. And, that's what happens when you try to short Bitcoin when we're pumping like crazy. Pumping like crazy, right? So why would you do that? Why would you do that? It's okay. That's what they get. Daily, looking good, guys. Looking great. So you don't have anything to worry about at this moment in time, in my opinion. So we're going to just watch the charts, watch Bitcoin, and see what's going on while we go over these tweets. Gonna have a full BTC off of 0.007 margin. So I use a small bag, right? 0.007 Bitcoin. I don't know how much that is, but whatever it is, I'm up 9x on it, and then I have another trade 0.008, and I'm up like 300x on that one, which I just showed you guys. So again, if you listen to Gareth Soloway, you listen to Wendy, if you listen to, Capo, you listen to these, clowns that think they know it all. Because even I say in all my videos, I say I don't know where it's going to go. These are my thoughts, and I actually tell you guys, don't even try to predict, right? Just react to what's going to happen, right? React to the price movements, and then you'll know what to do. So Garrett Soloway, I'm pretty sure he got liquidated or stomped out now. So we'll see how he goes or how that goes for him. I think he learned. I think he learned his lesson, but maybe not. Bitcoiners woke up richer today, and fiat people woke up poorer today. All right. Talking about sports and Tom Brady is not going to make you rich. I go over this all the time. I talk about this all the time, where, a lot of people have the audacity to memorize and learn LeBron stats, Steph Curry stats, who ran the most, yardage. And that's fine if you know that and all. But if you know all that information and you memorize all these rap lyrics, right, that's poisonous for you. So you can memorize all that BS, right? But when it comes to learning about investing, when it comes to learning about Bitcoin, what is the ROI, what's fractional reserve banking, what's supply and demand, what is money? You don't know none of that, but you know everything about Tom Brady and Taylor Swift and all the crap that's not going to pay you. So I highly recommend that you guys stay off the sports unless you're rich, right? And if you're betting on the sports, then that makes sense. But a lot of you guys don't even be betting, right? Don't bet. You bet if you want. You're a grown adult. The real champion here is Bitcoin per usual. This is back in February 11th. Let's see institutional FOMO, much greater than retail FOMO because institutions have way more money than what we have. And right now we are pulling back a little bit, which is expected. Go down to the 5 minute. We do have a red dot on the 5 minute right here. Red dot means sell, but as you can see here, we did have a red dot here, and we came right back up. So we'll see. I do have an alert right here, just in case we come back down. I'm not selling any of my positions right now until we get bearish indicators on the hourly and the 4 hour, which we're not looking like we have any. Man, bears getting clapped like crazy. Stock bros, we're gonna go over that real quick. I thought this was 20. Your take profit makes bears feel like. Let me show you the take profit that he's talking about. So this trade is not going to be taking profits until 200,000. So we're going to see, how that goes. I'm not selling nothing. All right. All right. Here come the stock bros. What I was just talking about. Here come the stock bros. Right. They want to. I follow a lot of people that buy stocks and that invest in real estate and talk about dividends and all that stuff and talk about cash flow, which is fine. I think cash flow is very important. But as far as an ROI standpoint, you're not going to make as much as you can with Bitcoin. And I continuously tell people, but Bitcoin's going to have to humble them because I tried to help them, but they didn't listen per usual. So here come the stock bros. Told you years ago, nobody wouldn't listen. Have fun staying poor. They're probably going to FOMO the top yet again, per usual. Let's see. Bit exit. Make sure you guys come out to the party. Bit exit. We have Bitcoin Zay and Camilla. More special guest speakers coming out. Click on the link in the description or go to the tweet and get your tickets here today. And there's only a limited amount of tickets. I might have a partnership with Armando, who has also been, a good friend of mine, and he's been in the space for a long time. He's been calling, he's been telling you guys what to do as well, as far as telling you guys how to, play this market if you trade, and he does options and all that good stuff. So shout out to Armando. All right, we're still coming down, 63,000, which is fine. Still coming down, still coming down. All right, let's see. The halving isn't priced in yet, which I've already said, and everybody else has said, especially Samson. BTC pumping means that everything just got cheaper for those who denominate in everything in Bitcoin, and everything continues to get more expensive if you denominate in fiat, which is something that Jeff Booth talks about, Max Kaiser talks about. So you have to do your research to understand what we're talking about. If everything's priced in Bitcoin, everything is cheaper. You can also go to priced in BTC 21. Let me see if I can pull it up. Priced in Bitcoin 21.com, and then you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I've gone over this in lives as well. But everything. Look at this, a sea of red. Let me take a screenshot because it don't matter what you hold. Bitcoin's going to outperform it, and it's losing to Bitcoin. Bitcoin went ham in February, of course. 100,000 on the way. Check on your boy Andrew and Becky, keeping you poor, being idiots, and not taking the time to do the research, even though they're on mainstream media. Bitcoin, 60K incoming. February 26th, they just stack. And look at that. A couple days later, we are here. We are here. We are here. 12 hours ago, before I went to bed, I said, hey, Bitcoin looks like it's about to push up. I sent this tweet out. So that's all I can say. Y'all got to put the alerts on. Y'all got to put the notifications on for when I tweet, and, you'll be able to get these notifications because at 57,600, 57,298, I said on the 2 hour, it looks like we're about to pump. And guess what? We went from 57,000. Right now, we're at, oh my gosh, we're coming down. Coming down. Wicking out them late longs. Wicking out them late longs. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, my bad. All right, so this stream isn't going to be too much of a much longer stream anyway. But we did wick down crazy. This is to liquidate all the longs that came in last minute. All the longs just got liquidated last minute. Trying to, why would you try to go long right now? This is the question right now for you guys. Serious question. I want if you guys took a long, that is. I don't know if you did or not. Instead of taking it hours ago, which I just showed you guys. Instead of taking it last night at 12. Instead of taking it 3 4 hours ago when I tweeted. Most people wanted to tweet like go long now, right? You want to go long now, right? And guess what? Boom, liquidation. Be careful. This is exactly what I tell you guys. Be careful. Don't even trade. Stack your Bitcoin and chill. But I digress. Let's get back to the chat. Let's get back to the charts. Not the charts, the tweets. Hit that like for me if you're watching, please, on YouTube or on X, aka Twitter. Make sure you guys, hit that like, share, subscribe for me, please. Go back to the tweets. There it is. All right. All right. All right. All right. Continue. Let's continue. Anything else? Have fun staying wealthy. It's for the Bitcoiners out here that have been stacking their Bitcoin and chilling. That song is super fire. Go check it out if you haven't yet. Bears or Shambles. I think that's going to be it for the God is good. Amen. 407. We'll put the forward. I don't even know how much I made today. I made some bread today, trading at the crib and have to go work and go to an office and slave for another person. And if you work for a job, good for you. Not saying anything is wrong with it. It's just not for me. Unless I'm getting paid, the big bucks, right? If I'm getting paid the big bucks, then I'm gonna take that job and I'm gonna invest in Bitcoin and then take that money and retire early, right? Instead of me putting that money into a 401k. Nah. Give me my Bitcoin. Let's see. I pay taxes last. This is gonna be a few of the last weeks. I pay taxes last after I spend what's needed on for my business. You as a W-2 employee pay taxes first. We are not the same. Learn about corporate structure and why having a business is way, 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 way better than being a W-2 employee because you get to write off things like your business phone, laptop, mouse, everything that you need to buy, ring light, anything that you need to buy for your business is a write-off, right? You get that Bitcoin glow. We about to be at the pool here in a little bit. About to go at the Bitcoiner life. I'm about to be streaming live from the pool a little bit later on. So, it is what it is. I highly recommend that you check out the whiteboard topic about following directions and investing in yourself. This is a very, very great video, very important video. I highly recommend that you take a listen to that. And let's see. I think that's going to be it. All right, that's it. Come join us at the pool day for the Bit Exit Resort party. Let's go into that real quick. Get your tickets for the Bit Exit party. It's going to be lit, guys. 61.7. We're climbing back up from that crazy wick. Longs just got slapped up. Late longs just got slapped all the way up. Be careful. bit-exit.com. It will bring you here to this site where it just goes over, the updates of who's going to be speaking. Get ready for the party. We're going to have the steak off, cook your filet mignon, VIP included. We're going to be doing cash prizes, 2 million Satoshis. I don't know how much that's going to be worth by the time we're in July. It's going to be a lot of money. Bowling. We have partners. We have 2 versus 2 bowling. We have a bowling day. We're gonna have a party. Of course, it is a party. We're gonna have live DJs. Gonna have a few DJs, including myself, Candyland, Warren, DJ Warren, which is my homie, and then first. We got 4 DJs lined up so far. We're gonna have food for you guys. That's VIP and general admission. So if you guys want to come and relax in Orlando, it's not a huge event. It could turn into a huge event because again, I'm partnering up with Armando, and he has a lot of people that follow him. So this may be even a larger event than what we're expecting. But I wanted it to be a little bit more intimate, but we'll see, right? If people want to come party, we're gonna add more tickets to the roster because we only got 500 tickets right now that are supposed to be sold, and we could do more, and then we would have to get a larger venue. So we're gonna be at the resort, just like the tweet said, and then we're gonna have some merchandise, and then we are going to have speakers, of course. So So make sure you guys go get your tickets, right? Get your tickets ASAP. We're not going to raise the price on tickets like you see Bitcoin magazine or the Bitcoin conference. So the prices are the same. They're not going to go up. So you have time. You have plenty of time. We're about to be in March, April, May, June, July. So you got 4 months. It's only 150 for the general admission and 300 for VIP. And again, VIP comes with your steak, food, and alcohol. You get to stay in the Airbnb if you want, and then we may get a bigger venue, so we may be able to extend how many people can stay at the Airbnb. We're gonna have bowling, we're gonna have cornhole challenge, we're gonna have live DJ food, all that good stuff. So make sure you guys go get your tickets. All right, make sure you guys head over there and go get your tickets. That's gonna be it for today's video. I made a video on how you guys can make some money. So if you guys want to make some money, guys, head over to my timeline and scroll down and look at that. Just got a notification. $4 million on OKX was liquidated at 58,000. So let me show you guys. Liquidated on BTC, $4 million long. And like I said, that's the problem with people, right? FOMO, greed, and here we are. I've taken some profits. I've already taken profits on my trade. Everything else I'm just leaving open. And go back to the price real quick for you guys. Another 4 million, 58,000. Is that the same alert or different alert? Yeah, we are smacking up all the longs. The late longs are getting clapped up right now. So yeah, be careful. Back at 60,000. I knew it was coming, which is why I had my TPs. I actually had to take profit at 63,000. I missed it by. I missed it by. I'm getting some alerts going off right now. Woo. Your favorite S coin is dumping. All your coins are dumping. All right. Bitcoin dumps. They all dump. All right. So with that being said, let's see. I do have a video. Let me go to my YouTube for you guys that are not on YouTube following me yet. Please go to youtube.com/@ Bitcoin Chris. And what you can do there is, I'm going live. I'm already live, right? So what you can do here is make sure you go like and subscribe because I'm going to be dropping alpha. I've given you guys how to trade. I've given you guys what I do to trade, how to make money. Go watch this video, how to trade on BingX step by step. If you want to learn how to trade, just a simple overview. I'm going to actually be doing, dang, I should short some of these S coins, but I'm not going to. But I'm going to show you guys how to do so. Dipping McGripping. I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the phone. I'm going to do a screen share and a screen video on how to do it on your phone. And actually, let me see if I can share another screen with you guys. Everybody's been asking me about the Discord, but I'm in a different Discord group. But I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Let's see if I can do that. Where is it? All right, here it is. All right, so here's Berm. I've actually showed you guys. Oh, I'm not even sharing the screen. All right, so Berm. Here goes Berm. Shout out to Berm. He risked $90 to make how much? $586. So, again, I don't recommend you trading at all, but if you're going to trade, the strategy that I teach um, in this, right, in the video that I just shared on YouTube and just showed you guys can make a lot of money. If you want to trade, be careful, don't trade, stack the Bitcoin and chip. All right. So, with that being said, let me bring this down and move it back. All right, so make sure you head over to youtube.com/Bitcoin Chris. YouTube and Twitter get everything first, and then I'll be able to, once I open up the Discord again, I'll share that information for you guys as well. You guys can learn, and not only is it going to be about Bitcoin, it's going to show you guys about credit and business, right? So you're going to learn about not only trading, you're going to learn about Bitcoin and credit and business, right? BB&C Discord about to open up soon. I already have it set up. I just haven't been pushing it because, you know, I don't know if I didn't really think anybody wanted to join it like that, but a lot of people have been hitting me up. So the wicks are crazy. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin once again before we end the stream. All right, so we wicked from 64,000 down to 57,000. Slapped up some longs, some late longs. Look at the 4 hour. Look at that. Look at that wick city. 1 hour. Look at that wick city. All right, and we do have a red dot on the hour, which I said I was looking for, and we got it. So right now, be careful. Don't try to guess what's going to happen. Market Cipher is in the description, which is what I use to trade. And I hope this helps out for you guys. Stack your Bitcoin and chill. If you've been buying at 40, 50K anyway, you're up regardless, right? So stack your Bitcoin and chill. Don't be a degen like me. Just be a rational person and, stack your Bitcoin and chill. Right? You don't need to do anything crazy and lose all your money. And if you are going to trade, use a stop loss and be careful. So with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris about to check out for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stack your Bitcoin and chill. If you're watching, I don't know where the balloons came from, but if you're watching, uh, hit that like button for me. Shout out to you guys for stacking and chilling. And head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Also, go pre-order my new book, bitcoin-fiatdad.com, or scan this QR code right here and stack your Bitcoin. Pre-order my new book, and have a great day. Much love, you guys. God loves you. I love you. See you in the